on it, and then you can log it out. You get me? Once you log it out from here, it's automatically logged out. Then from here, you can eventually see any other device that your WhatsApp is being linked to.
So before you start checking if your landlord is seeing your status, if your neighbor is seeing your status, if your friends or relatives if they're seeing your status, first of all check this one. You get me? You need to check this one and then verify that nobody eventually is linked to your WhatsApp. You get? If my WhatsApp is being linked to another phone, then the person can eventually view my status. The person can see my messages. The person can even see my phone calls. Everything that is going on my phone, the person can see my message. So I'm going to show you guys how to check if your phone is being linked with another phone, if your WhatsApp is being linked with another phone. So
So here is how to check if your WhatsApp is being linked with another phone or another device. So first thing first, you open your WhatsApp. So on the WhatsApp, you go to your settings. Then on the settings, you see new group, new broadcast, then linked devices. Then you click on the linked devices. Now this my device is already linked to my laptop. That's the system I'm using. So you see it here. Now you can once you've seen it like this, you can click on it, and then you can log it out. You get me? Once you log it out from here, it's automatically logged out. Then from here, you can eventually see any other device that your WhatsApp is being linked to. Like you can check if it's maybe another phone is being linked up to it. Like everything will show here. It will even show the time and the date it was being logged in. So you can eventually log it out from here. Once you click on it, then you go to the logout, it will go off. Then if maybe you want to link other people's devices, maybe you have 2 to 3 devices that you want to link. Maybe you want to link your friends, your wife's WhatsApp, or any other person. You just go to the link device here. But that's not the lesson for today. So this is just how to check if another person has linked your WhatsApp. Thank you very much.
so finally, once you finish the verification, once you've checked and then you realize that no any other device is being linked to your device, then that's where you can start blocking your landlord, your caretaker, your village people, your driver and your dry cleaner. That's when you can start blocking them. Apart from that, you're eventually doing it maybe the wrong way. So before you start blocking people on from seeing your status on WhatsApp, make sure you check if it's being linked with another device. And eventually you too, you can eventually link other devices to your device. Like maybe if you want to monitor your girlfriend, you can eventually link the device together and then they won't even know because everything will be coming in the same time as the message is dropping on your own phone, it's dropping on their own phone too, and you won't know. Somebody can even link your WhatsApp device to his or her laptop, and person can be sitting in his office and then be monitoring you. So you have to be very careful. It's very important to make sure that you verify this. So if the device is being linked to your own WhatsApp, all you just have to do is log it out. The moment you log it out, they automatically disconnected the person from viewing your status. Oh, sorry. So before I finally take my leave, let me take my glasses. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share this video. You can even comment on difficult questions about technology, about your phone, about your system that is bothering you. Then I'll be very glad to give you guys answers. Thank you very much.